জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Doctor, I'll stay here. I'll be here until Trinayani recovers. I won't go anywhere.
Oh my. So much concern? Is Dripto's attitude towards that girl changing?
Here, Trinayani is coming.
Dripto! I'm here to save his life. Father? Father, why are you quiet? Didn't you tell me that his life was in danger? Tell me. Didn't you tell me only I could save his life? Dripto, don't drink it. Why don't you understand that the milk you are drinking has poison in it? Sir, I have promised his mother that I'll protect her son from every danger. Please, please let me keep my promise, sir, please.
I won't let you win so easily, Trinayani. It was you who said that you were here to save me. And if you die while saving my life, then I will lose. It'll be a burden on me for life. You can't die so easily. I won't let you go. I just won't let you go.
Hey, Deepu. What are you thinking?
Mom, I want to disown this girl. But she saved my life again and again. How will I repay her favors, Mom? It's a huge debt on me. It's a huge debt.
Debt. Yes, debt. What did Deepu say? Oh Lord.
I've tolerated your pretense for a long time, but not anymore. You need to leave this house right now. Come on!
No, please don't do this.
stop, Deepu!
Please don't do this.
Everything happened after I threw her out that night. I must take the responsibility. I just can't avoid her like that.
Dripto is changing. He's developing a soft corner for Trinayani with time. No. I can't be at peace until Trinayani dies. If Dripto changes, my plan will be ruined. I need to do something before he gets more attached to Trinani. I need to play a trick. Come here. What's going on? Calm down now. What you are doing is enough. You weren't able to stand her a few days back. Why are you?
Mom, please stop all this. You won't understand what I'm going through. If anything happens to her, I won't be able to forgive myself, Mom.
Why are you being so childish, Deepu? What can you do if something happens to her? Tell me. You told me that you were searching for her at Mohanpur bus stand. If she did not go there, you wouldn't have gone there either. This wouldn't have happened. She messed it up. Why are you feeling guilty because of that?
Whatever it is, Mom. Whatever it is. Had she not saved my life, then I would have. Anyway, it is me who is responsible for her condition. I won't be able to accept if anything happens to her. I can do anything to save her life. Anything. But I won't let her win by dying.
Where are you going?
Mom, I'm going to pray to the Lord. I'll do a prayer for her. I'll be back.
That's good. Good. Deepu is not present now. I must use this opportunity and do something so that Trinani never wakes up. But before that, I need to be sure if Deepu has left for real or not. I need to make him busy there, even though for a little while. Deepu! Wait, let me see you off! Deepu! Listen, I was saying, you may go if you want. If you feel better after going there, then be there for some time. You don't need to hurry. Just take your time.
Mr. Dripto,
Officer,
how is Trinani now?
officer, I need to talk to you.
What happened, Mr. Basu? Why are you feeling so restless? What happened?
Can you tell me when Trinani told you the first time that your car would catch fire? I mean, did she tell you before she knew there was a riot in Mohanpur bus stand or after? Officer, please tell me. I need to know this. Please tell me.
Why do you want to know that?
Officer, I can't match a lot of things. Actually, I'm suspecting something impractical about Trinani. But because of the accidents, I'm not able to deny that either. A lot of things depend on your answer. Please tell me, please.
Look, Mr. Dripto,
Dripto's life is in danger, Mr. Karmakar, and Trinani is his protective shield. As Trinani can see the future before it happens, only she can protect Dripto, Mr. Karmakar. But if Deepu's enemy gets to know about it, that person will definitely harm Trinani first.
it was she who blamed Trinani for poisoning the milk.
Strange. Why is the police officer staring at me? Is he suspecting me?
Was Mr. Topabruto Basu right? If it's revealed that Trinani can see the future, it can be harmful to her.
Why are you so silent? Please answer my question. Please say something. Please say it. Look, please tell me, when your Jeep caught fire, when did she tell you about that? Please tell me. Did she tell you before she knew there was a riot in the bus or after? Please tell me, please.
After.
After?
Yes, after. When she came to the police station, she found out that two antisocial gangs were having a fight between themselves at Mohanpur bus stand. After that, she told me that my jeep might catch fire.
See, did you see it, Deepu? I told you she was a fraud. She wants to gain everyone's sympathy by doing all that.
Anyone can say it beforehand.
Officer, are you sure?
What do you mean? Why won't I be sure? She heard about the riot and predicted that my jeep might catch the fire. Is it possible to predict it on assumptions? It's impossible, isn't it?
Then, officer, why did you say something else earlier?
Did I say something else?
Of course you did. I mean, did she tell you beforehand that your jeep would catch fire?
That's why I am alive, Mr. Tripto.
Do you remember that?
No, Mr. Tripto, try to understand. I said the same thing, only the meaning has changed now. Actually, there was a riot at Mohanpur bus stand and there was a blast very near to me. So, I escaped very narrowly. I arrested them in that condition, you know. And then I had to start the proceedings. My head was very messed up. I mean, I'm aging. Try to understand. I sometimes mess up with the logic.
Is the police officer hiding something?
Officer? What's wrong? Why aren't you looking at me while talking? Let me admit that Trinaini went to the police station and got to know that there was a riot. And then she told you that your jeep would catch fire. Okay, fine. But why did Trinaini go to the police station? Why did she go there?
What's the matter? Are you interrogating me?
I can do that. What's the problem? Are you the only one who has the right to interrogate people? Don't the civilians have the right? I'm trying to find out the truth, that's it. Even though I interrogated you to know the truth, I'm not breaking any law.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm not used to lying. Should I tell the truth to Dripto? But I can't trust this woman standing here. What do I do now?
Officer, you're wasting my time. Please tell me why Trinaini went to the police station.
To seek help. She came to the police station to seek my help. She wanted to find out that person who tried to poison you. She asked me to investigate and find out that person.
What? See, Deepu, I told you. That girl went to the police station to get an investigation done against our family. I told you so, I told you. And you are so concerned about that girl.
Mom, you heard it wrong. Trinaini didn't want any investigation against any family members. She went to the police station to find out as to who poisoned the milk. No one from our family poisoned the milk, actually. Then why do you think that Trinaini complained against someone from the family?
Oh no. Why is he saying all this in front of the police officer?
Mom, Trinaini didn't make any mistake if she went to the police station for this reason. Mom, we should know who poisoned the milk. Mom, you could have died. I could have died. And that person can do that again as well. And that person must be caught. Right, Mom?
Why are you supporting Trinaini in this way, Deepu? I can't believe why you're feeling so much for that girl suddenly. What's the matter?
Excuse me. I shouldn't be present if it's your family matter. I'm inside. You can continue.
Feelings. Mom, did you even think before saying this?
Yes, I did. You were so eager to throw that girl out of the house just a few days back, but you are interrogating people because of her. You're so eager to save her life. I can see you have feelings for her, Deepu.
Only I know, Mom, why I'm so stubborn that she should be alive. Mom, it's not about my feelings. The way you drank the poisoned milk the other day and saved my life, she saved my life too. She took the blow on herself, Mom. She suffered. Mom, I was saved because of you the other day. In the same way, I'm alive today only because of her. It's very difficult to forget what she did, Mom. And that debt is haunting me. I must pay her back. I must.
Deepu? You compared me with that girl? You compared Trinaini with your mother? I can't believe this, Deepu. I just can't believe it. That girl has beguiled you so much that you're giving her the same stature as mine? The same stature as mine? Oh Lord, why did you do this to me?
Mom.
Why did you do this to me? Oh Lord.
Mom. What did I tell Mom? I hurt her unknowingly. I can't think anymore. Mom! Mom! Mom!
You have saved my life, child. You have made me grateful. For my entire life, my child. Henceforth, I'll take care of you. I will do my best to take care of you, my child. I swear on my late daughter.
Hello?
Mr. Basu, this is Tarun Karmakar speaking.
Yes. Tell me, what happened?
I kept your word, Mr. Tapabruta Basu. I did not tell anyone that Trinaini has the gift of foreseeing the future. Not even Dripto.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm highly obliged.
No, there's no need to thank me.
Had Trinaini not been there, I wouldn't have been standing here and talking to you, Mr. Tapabruto. Trinaini saved my life. So the way it's your responsibility to protect her, it's mine too.
Okay. Are you still in the hospital? How is Trinaini?
Can't you see the patient's condition is bad? Get the life-saving kit quickly.
Okay, sir. Let me
Come
get
on,
it
hurry
right
up.
away.
Doctor, what happened?
The patient's pulse rate has dropped.
The BP is not rising by any means.
We'll have to give her a life-saving drug. We can't save her for long if this continues.
Brother, what happened? Why did you sit down in this way? Did you get any information about Trinaini?
Pratima, I don't think Trinaini will.
No! No! That's not possible. I prayed to Lord the entire day. I only prayed for her recovery. Won't Lord answer my prayers? No, that's not possible. Trinaini won't be harmed. Nothing can happen to her. Aunt!
Mom, please listen to me. Mom, listen to me, please. Mom, please, don't misunderstand me. I didn't mean to say that, Mom. Okay, Mom, you tell me. She helped me and you saved my life. This can't be the same. Never. A wife and a mother are not the same.
Wife?
Oh no. What did I say? I made a mistake again.
You called Trinaini your wife? Yes? That means you're already considering her your wife, right? Wow, Deepu. Wonderful.
Mom, it was a slip of tongue. I didn't mean that. Believe me, Mom, please.
Believe you? I can't trust you anymore, Deepu. Now I understand why you're so concerned about that girl. You are just so concerned. Your words and actions don't match. Shame on you, Deepu. Shame on you.
Mom, please believe me. Mom, I don't have any feelings for her. I'm telling you the truth.
Keep quiet. Don't give me excuses. I don't trust you now. I don't trust you at all. I just don't trust you.